Cats aren't funny at all, but that's when you've never met them. You will change your mind because we dedicate this video to you. Let's watch till the end. When you're a sleeper and your boss is clumsy. Oh. The end of snooping. When you are bored, but meet a teasing friend. What is this guy looking at
Don't be scared.
so intently? Whoa.
You're seeing your own reflection. Oh my god.
Do you know how to repress cute animals?
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
Guys, get in the getaway car.
When your boss just watched an action movie. And then the horror story was born. The moment you realize you're no longer the scariest person in the house. When you just want to make a friend, but do it the wrong way. Everyone would be scared if they were in her case. Oh! No cuddling? Then bear the pain. Arrgh. What if you keep a spy in your house? When your life is so easy. Who's cuter is the stronger. Open the door and let our army invade this house. My lover, every time I ask her to do something. When you can't accept someone cuter than you. No. Sometimes the insect catcher needs help too.
Ich will nur schlafen. Warum machst du das? Warum machst du das? Warum machst du das? Bruder!
Hope they don't chase each other until tomorrow. Oh my! Intelligence is a gift, and you rejected it. Fastest way to summon your cat. You should feel lucky, 'cause he has a normal hobby. Hey, human, give me a ladder, please. You just want to take a nap. Oh, but the hammock doesn't allow it. Well done. You're about to become a chef. You don't understand what knitting is that is more attractive than you. Come on. Even more unintelligible than the previous one. See? I didn't fall, guys. I'm fine at home, just a little bored. Oh. When you finally have a girlfriend. Aww. Do you think he'll make it? Oh, no! There are days when we suddenly feel ugly. Mother says we have to drink milk every day to grow up quickly. When you try to ask your crush to go out, but she ignores you. Have you ever seen anything funnier? That's all for today. Subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss any interesting videos. Thank you, and see you again.